Good day, guys. So if you're looking for an AI companion that does more than just answer questions, you need to dive into Linky AI. So it has become a top-tier platform for immersive roleplay, allowing you to chat with millions of characters or build your own from scratch. And I'm showing you the ultimate guide to mastering Linky, from creating your first persona to unlocking those rare character cards. And when you first open Linky, as you can see, the home screen is packed with characters from anime, movies, and history. You can also use the app and use the search filters to find specific tropes like enemies to lovers or sci-fi adventure. Each character has a unique voice and personality, and before you start chatting, check their short bio. So these function like movie trailers, giving you a hint of drama or story you're about to enter. So on a website, for example, we have this. So let me just open the website back. So as you can see, we have a character and it's explained in a way. So as you can see, this is Mandy, and there's the explanation right here and below. And also the real magic is the Create tab. Give your character a name and upload an avatar. Linky's Vision AI can now generate 2D, Live 2D, or even 3D styles based on your description. And the most important part here is the greeting. Don't just say hi. Write a detailed opening scene, like you find me standing in the rain outside your door, holding a mysterious letter. And also, they feature a magic card system. As you chat, you can draw cards that reveal character selfies or hidden secrets. So these are 3 tiers of rarity, and collecting them unlocks special storylines you can't access otherwise. And for the best experience, click the settings icon to choose your AI model. As you can see, chat mode with AI, and then the AI model will be able to be chosen as well. And when your character is ready, just hit save and then you can chat with them. So this is how you master Linky AI this year. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe, and see you soon.